Hey, I'm Sophie from Currys and I'm here today to show you how to clean your oven or cooker without using any harsh chemicals. Sometimes our ovens really do need a deep clean and you can do that using one of these three things. Firstly, bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Secondly, steam cleaning. And finally, pyrolytic cleaning. I'm off to our studios now to talk you through how to do it because there's a dirty oven there that needs cleaning. We advise wearing gloves or goggles when cleaning your oven. Do not touch the heating elements, fan or other moving parts. Ensure the oven is cool before cleaning. Protect your floor in case of any spills. The first way to clean your oven without using any harsh chemicals is by using bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Now, to do this, you're going to need to take everything out of the inside of the oven, including the shelves and the racks on the side. Then you're going to take 135 grams of bicarbonate of soda and 60 millilitres of warm water and mix them together to create a paste. Then you're going to coat the inside of the oven with this paste and leave it overnight. In the morning, you're going to take off the paste by using a plastic or wooden spatula, but be careful with the enamel coating to avoid damaging it. Then this is where the vinegar comes into play. You're going to get a damp cloth and mix 1 part water with 1 part vinegar, and then you can wipe the inside of the oven glass door and it'll be lovely and clean. The second way is to use steam to clean your oven. All you need to do is get rid of any big bits of food or grease using a damp cloth. Then take an oven-proof dish and 250 millilitres of water. You're going to pop this in the oven. Set the oven to 250 degrees for 20 minutes. And then we'll leave that to work its magic. Now the oven has cooled, let's take the oven dish out and give it a good wipe over with a damp cloth to get rid of the food and grease. As you can see, the oven is really clean. So the final way to clean your oven without using any harsh chemicals is pyrolytic cleaning. Now this is available on some ovens, so if yours has it, it's a really easy way to clean. So all you're going to do is take everything out of the oven, including the shelves and the racks on the side, close it and turn it to the pyrolytic cleaning function. Now this is going to heat up to 500 degrees, so obviously the oven will automatically lock because that's going to get really, really hot. And it's going to burn the food and grease and just turn it into ash. If you wait for the cycle to finish and then let it cool down completely, you can open your oven door and just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it will clean it beautifully. If you want to know more information about cleaning your cooker or oven, why not visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on Shop Live.